Hi there. In this video, we are going to go over how to request an appointment using the Orca web app. You can open up any browser type you'd like to use, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, your built-in Samsung browser. However, we do recommend that you use the Chrome browser. It's the most stable browser that the web app platform is built on. So we're going to go ahead and open up a Chrome browser window and log in. I'll be logging in as an Emerge doctor here. Just a standard account that we've created for this. Here your information will auto-populate, your name, cell number, and your MSP number. Now, in the next window, this is where you're going to create the appointment and provide the demographics for the on-call surgeon and the reason for the appointment request. So you have two options here. You can either capture the patient demo sticker or enter in the data manually. Now, when you're capturing the patient information, you'll have a sticker very similar to this. You'll want to take a picture, and we need you to crop the image to frame the data that we want to actually look at. If we don't do this, there's a lot of noise that gets captured as well and could create a lot of problems. This is clearly a dummy sticker that should not really populate much information. Captured a few things, but the date of birth and the PHN are not in the appropriate locations for a standard sticker. So that may happen even with a normal sticker. The sticker might be bent, or the lighting may be too poor, the angles might be off. The OCR, the optical character recognition, with these technologies are not 100% perfect yet. So we're just trying to provide a little bit of aid in this regard. So here, even just the printed sticker provided the first name, last name. You'll need to go in and either correct or add information that you see is incorrect or missing. So PHN is required. If they do not have a PHN, you can click no. That will override the mandatory need for a PHN, but you will need to enter some information regarding the patient's insurance or situation thereof. So we'll just click yes and enter in the 9999 here. So 10 nines. Phone number for the patient is required at this point in order for the on-call surgeon's office to contact the patient if need be. Site location, and the reason for referral is also mandatory. Here you'll also be able to select whether or not it's an MSP or WCB case that you're working on. And the emergency button here, the checkbox here, is primarily for statistical purposes at this time. So if you do have an emergency consult that needs to go through, we ask that you select that just so the system knows that we have a certain proportion of emergency calls that are going to be coming through. We do have a Click Connect option that will be coming in the future, where you will be able to just connect directly to the on-call surgeon from the app after you've entered in the information that's required in this screen. You'll click Next. In this next section, patient chart and additional information photos. Here we ask that you take a picture of the patient's chart, any pictures of the injury itself, any other pertinent information that may be helpful to the on-call surgeon to determine what they need to do. The additional note here, you can use that to provide any additional information you want to give to the on-call surgeon. We've also provided that there for the on-call surgeon to add notes for their staff to properly direct your patients to the clinics that they need to go to. From there, just click Next. It will upload images and provide you with an appointment time. It'll also give you the booking time for the appointment that you just created. If you do have any problems in this screen, you do have the option to go check your appointment list to see whether or not an appointment was provided. We have had an issue where referring doctors, emergency room doctors, are requesting appointments and they've received a no appointment provided error, but the appointment did sit in the appointment list. We believe we've corrected that at this time, but if you do come across an issue like that, that is an option. You can go check your appointment list and you can confirm with your patient that they got the correct appointment information. As long as you provided a cell number for them, though, they should get this information immediately from the system itself. Okay. Another option you do have is if you do determine that the patient's appointment needs to be canceled, you do have the option of coming into your appointment list, clicking the little edit button here, and changing the status to canceled. Save that, and the appointment will be canceled. The patient will also receive a notification that the appointment has been canceled. Okay, and if you are complete, log out, and you can go from there. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 778-381-6077 or send us an email at support@orca.ca. Thank you.